just like it's 07. I just hit a lick, gotta hit the next one. Yeah, I know you learn your lesson. I can GPS you if you need addressing. Just talk about the bigger homie, but I'm 1 year older than my little homie. 09, they was spitting on me, but I'm young money, got it written on me. Okay, now we got some action. Everything he said it happened. That boy light is Michael Jackson. But on verses he been blacking. Chasing women a distraction. And we be on TV right next to me. You cannot be here right next to me. You see me right next to me. I hate a rapper especially. They feel the same but they hide it. They just discuss it in private. They get along, man, we tried it. What's the point in even trying? I hate a goofy especially. They always dying to mention me. They gotta die out eventually. I cannot give you the recipe. You know the game is so separately. Swear I just had an epiphany.